Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how to use the Auto Reframe feature in Adobe Premiere Pro to create a YouTube short. So what you do first of all is go to the sequence that you want to reframe, right click and choose Auto Reframe. This menu comes up. Now the video I've shot is actually in about 4:5 ratio, which means it's vertical already. I want to make it 9:16. We can choose the tracking, either slower, faster or default. When I hit create, we'll get a little timer coming up in the bottom right. That will tell us, roughly speaking, how long it's going to take. The video I've got here is 2160 by 1920. I'll have a link to this on the other channel if you want to see it. It's a YouTube short. It's about 45 seconds long. When I hit create, it's going to start working through. Now, because it'll take about 15 seconds, I'm going to drag the performance indicators so you can watch to see whether it's using the CPU, GPU. I'm using an RTX 3070, so it should not take too long. So as you can see there, about 15 seconds, and most of the work was actually done on the CPU, which was a bit of a surprise. If you have a faster CPU, it should take longer than 15. It should take less than 15 seconds. But as you can see, 9:16. If we want to, we can go ahead and play back. Just check to make sure everything's fine. Notice that there was some text in the original file. It's managed to move that over so that it's in the right position to be visible. It's very clever. It's created a new folder with a new sequence in it. And if we wanted to adjust any settings, we could double click, bring up the properties for the effects. Notice that the motion effects, the usual standard motion, scaling, position, those have been grayed out. If we want to, however, we can go down and we'll find a new effect has been applied. This is the Auto Reframe effect. If we want to, we can choose to reanalyze and change the algorithm to faster or slower. And if we really want to change a few things around, we can go ahead and click on Override Generated Path, and that will bring up the keyframes. So that's basically how we use Auto Reframe inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Hopefully I'll have a few more Premiere Pro videos coming out in the next few weeks. Till then, take care, bye.